If you only open LinkedIn when you are looking for a job, you are losing out a single greatest career and business opportunity of the decade. Most people treat LinkedIn like a dusty static resume. They update in once a year and wonder why nothing happens. That's the biggest mistake you can make. The truth is, LinkedIn not a job board. It is a digital gold mine. It is a global networking event where you have instant direct access to CEOs, decision makers, and clients who can fundamentally engage your career. Today, we are shifting your mindset from passive job seeker to active industry leader. I'm going to break down the three steps proactive strategies to turn your profile into magnet for opportunities, build powerful alliances, and generate real business growth, all without sending a single cold email. Let's unlock the LinkedIn gold mine. Why LinkedIn is a gold mine? Access to decision makers. Any CEOs of the company, any CEOs, CFOs, or CHROs, or HR heads, VPs, finance, or SVPs, executives, founders are just reachable with one direct message away. And real-time market intelligence like trends, hiring signals, job openings, industry shares, industry updates, everything comes first on LinkedIn. Personal branding at scale. One post can reach thousands without ad spend, and it's ad free. Mentorship and collaboration. Build allies, advisors, and co creators. My dear friends, LinkedIn is not just a social network, it's the world's largest professional market, yet most users treat it like a digital resume, missing out its true power, visibility, credibility, and opportunity. Today's competitive landscape, your next job, client, mentor, or breakthrough is not hiding in a job portal, it's already watching your LinkedIn feed. The platform is a gold mine, but only for those who know how to dig with strategy, not just scroll with hope. Mastering LinkedIn means shifting from passive presence to active influence. It's about building a magnetic profile, sharing insights that spark engagement, and nurturing connections that convert into career growth. So, LinkedIn Analytics check which post performs well. That tells you what your audience love. Track your profile view, post reach, and search appearances weekly. So LinkedIn not about self promotion. It's about creating impact. How many people you are networking, how many people you are reaching, how many people you are able to add value. So start small, stay consistent, and within few months you will see the magic happens. Remember, people don't follow titles, they follow stories. You should be a great storyteller always. And you there should be authenticity when you add value to the people. So build your presence one meaningful post at a time. Yes. Three gold mine pillars, profile and connection strategy. There is a fundamental steps to turning your profile into a magnet. The magnet profile beyond the resume. The loophole, most people headline it's just a job title like project manager of XYZ corporation. This is passive. How to fix it? Your headline must state the value you deliver. For example, instead of finance manager, use I help X startups scale revenue and optimize our financial operations for 1 million savings. This instantly tells recruiters and decision makers what you do. This attracts the attention of the people. This is the bird eye view where you are selling your skills. About section, write this in the first person and use a clear structure who you are, what problems you solve, and a clear call to action. So directly message to the discussion strategy and see any latest post on X. The second pillar is connection strategy, quality over quantity. The myth is sending requests to everyone you have ever met is the best way to grow. The fix, the targeted 500, focus on connecting with the direct decision makers and thought leaders in your target industry so that you will get the direct response. How, what are the next steps? action, personalized connection note. Never use the generic LinkedIn connection request. Always include a brief and personalized note. For example, name so and so, and I love your recent post on the topic. I'm working on the similar strategy at the company XYZ. Would appreciate connecting to follow your insights. Then people see your interest and your enthusiasm to accept, and if they are interested, they will immediately reach out to you to work further. The third pillar is content creation. Here, the visibility engine makes you superstar. The secret here is LinkedIn's algorithm heavily favors original and native content, including the text and videos, because it keeps users on the platform. Posting once a week is enough to dramatically increase your visibility. What is the action required here? Share insights, not status updates. For example, option way, the expert share 1 to 3 actionable takeaways from a conference, a book, or your job experience. For example, 3 things I learned through auditing of XYZ company. Option B, engager. Ask an open ended professional question that encourages comments. For example, what is the single most overlooked metric in SaaS finance right now? So, engagement drives visibility, it increases your network. Your network is your net worth. So you will reach the top people soon with this kind of visibility. So turning connections into career. This is where active network to generate interviews and opportunities. Informal interviews. This is the most powerful tool. It is not just asking for job, it's an advice ask. So directly message a relevant professional who works at your dream company with this speech. Hi, my name is Raj. I'm currently searching career paths in finance. I greatly admire your trajectory. Would you be open to brief 15 minutes virtual coffee sometime next week for me to hear your insights on the industry? Why it works? It is a low commitment, acknowledges their expertise, and gives them an opportunity to feel helpful. You are simply asking knowledge, not demanding a job. So, follow up after the call. Always send a genuine thank you note and follow up 3 months later with a quick update on how you applied their advice. This keeps the relationship warm and professional. So, this is the way you connect, interact, maintain, and improve the relationships so that it will make your career path smoother, and it is a smart work. Conclusion. In summary, mastering LinkedIn is about replacing your passive resume with an active personal brand. Be visible, provide value, and build genuine relationship based on respect, not need. Your one homework task, go to your LinkedIn profile right now, rewrite your headline to reflect value you deliver, not just the job you hold. Post your new headline in the comments below. So, key ways to master LinkedIn: build a strong professional profile, use a clear photo, meaningful headline, and compelling summary to attract attention. Connect with purpose. Focus on meaningful connection in your industry and personalized invitation explaining why you would like to connect. Engage actively. Share your valuable content, comment on posts, and participate in LinkedIn groups to build visibility and establish yourself as a thought leader. Leverage for career growth. Use LinkedIn's job search features, set alarm, and proactively reach out to recruiters and hiring managers with the tailored messages. Turn influence into income. LinkedIn evolving into a creator's gold mine. Professional monetize their expertise through consulting, courses, sponsorships, and speaking engagements. So, LinkedIn Mastery is not about gaming the algorithm, it's about showing up with authenticity, clarity, and value. When you treat it as a career ecosystem, not just a job board, it becomes a gold mine of growth. Your next opportunity is not in your inbox, it's in your LinkedIn feed. Yes, my